You can do the most. Whoever does the most push-ups gets to open one more gift. All the way down, all the way down. Okay, good job, Michael. Good job. Let's see Noah. Go, Noah.
I'm doing push-ups.
Let me see. Good job, Michaela. Good job. Good job. Keep going. Come on, Noah. Come on, Noah. Good job, Noah. 30?
I did the most. 83. 86, 87, 88, 89.
Are you tired, Michaela?
90, 91, 92, 93.
All the way down, Noah. Good job.
94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
100? Whoa, that's a lot of push-ups.
I did it. I did way more.